Expat channel. Today you join me, it is the 22nd of December, so I've just finished work for the year, so that's all good, and going out today to pick up the cameras again. So it's been 3 weeks now since the last collection and video that I made, so it's been a fairly good 3 weeks for the channel. Last time we spoke, I was trying to get to 50 subscribers, and I checked this morning and this happened. So we've had a lot of snow recently. Remember last time it was -12, where it's up to sort of 0 degrees today, and a lot of the snow's melting, but the roads are still covered. I'll quickly show you. There we go. It's all a bit slushy at the moment, but not too bad to drive in really. So I've got all-terrain tyres on my car. I haven't opted for winter tyres, simply just can't afford to have winter tyres and summer tyres for a car like this, and because I'm always out and about in the forest anyway, it kind of makes sense for me. So let's get out to the forest. So that YouTube subscriber counter I actually made myself. I do a little bit of messing around with 3D printing, which I quite enjoy, being from a design background anyway, so that's it's been good fun. It's been a good purchase as well. I've used it a hell of a lot, but I actually took inspiration from another video, which I'll actually put a link to, because it was a very useful video, and it just worked without a problem. So the actual technology itself uses the Arduino software environment and a Xmas D1 mini little chip with Wi-Fi built in. Costs really very little to make something like that. I've also done another project with some LED lighting in my house that I can then control on my phone as well and change all the colours and bits and pieces. So it's a bit of a geeky hobby of mine. But if any of you are interested, then let me know in the comments below. Also, another good thing that happened recently, it was my birthday, and my partner kindly bought me a new pair of trousers. Check these out. These are the Fjallraven Garrett Pro winter trousers. So the winter one means that basically they're furry on the inside. So this is the first time I've worn them outside the house. So far so good. I'm not going to do a full review on them or anything until I've really got my hands on them and put them through their paces, because they are very expensive trousers, and just because they're expensive doesn't necessarily mean that they're good. So far though, very pleased. Nice long legs and fit perfectly, very useful, loads of pockets and bits and pieces. So stay tuned, and in the future I will do a bit more in detail on that. I'll just sort of, if you've not seen them before, that's kind of the trouser. Like I say, I'll do something more in future, but loads of pockets. One there for a knife as well, so 2 pockets there. Another one there, and inside I've got my wallet in there now, but also there's another pocket for your phone. And kind of like jeans really, so you've got nice deep pockets at the front. So far so good, very happy with that. So I've just arrived at the trail camera, and bit of a surprise here. So something's dug all of that up, but it's right in front of the camera, so we should have a first front row view on what happened there. So let's have a quick look at the camera then. It's covered in snow. You can see it's very wet. Let's have a look inside, see if it's still dry. Yep, not too shabby. So I've just swapped the memory cards out on the trail cam. The battery's still in really good health, 3/4, and it's been out for a very long time now. Got to be 6 weeks, I guess, constant. So that's pretty good. Just give you a quick look about where I am. Very nice day today. I love being in the forest when it's like this, because no one's interested in coming out because it's wet and snowy and miserable. But I love it, and it's very peaceful and quiet today. So let's get to the editing and look at what we got. and before I leave you, I just wanted to let you know this will probably be the last video before Christmas now, but I am planning to go actually camping with a friend on the 27th, so can't promise you, but I'm hoping I'll take you along this time. I've not taken you along on a camping trip before, so hopefully that'll happen. So that'll be really cool, and that'll be it for the year. So again, just wanted to say thank you to all my existing subscribers and the new ones that have come along. It really does help, and it's really nice to see the channel slowly starting to grow. So thanks again. I wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2019.